going on, everyone? Craig here from Clarion BTC. Today, I want to talk to you about the real reason most traders blow their accounts. And no, it's usually not because of strategy. It's not because they have the wrong indicator. It's not because they got unlucky. And it's not even because they had a bad entry. Most accounts get destroyed because of one thing: risk. Undefined risk destroys traders. Not strategy, not indicators, risk. Here's the reality. Every single trade can lose. Even the best looking setup can fail. Bitcoin doesn't owe you follow through. The market doesn't care how confident you are. That's why every trade should have three things before you enter: a logical stop loss, proper position sizing, a predefined risk before the trade is placed, not after. One of the biggest mistakes retail traders make is moving their stop loss. Price gets close to the stop, emotion kicks in, and suddenly they're telling themselves, I'll just give it a little room. Maybe Bitcoin just needs a little more space. Maybe it'll come back. Maybe the setup is still valid. No, what you're actually doing is breaking your entire risk model in real time. At Clarion BTC, once the trade premise is invalidated, we're out. No ego, no hope, no emotional attachment, just execution. Because small losses are normal. Large emotional losses are optional. Now let's talk about another massive account killer: over leveraging. This is one of the biggest problems in crypto. People take positions so large that every tiny Bitcoin move feels painful. A $100 move feels like a crisis. A small pullback feels like the end of the world. And once emotion enters the trade, logic leaves the trade. That's when traders start making bad decisions. They revenge trade. They average into losing positions. They ignore invalidation. They remove stop losses. And eventually they blow up. Professional traders think differently. The first goal is survival. The second goal is growth. Because if you can't survive, you never get the opportunity to scale. The goal isn't to make all your money on one trade. The goal is consistently over hundreds of trades. That's where long-term success comes from. At Clarion BTC, we focus heavily on three things: capital preservation, asymmetric opportunities, and emotional control. Because protecting capital is the foundation of everything. If you can manage downside properly, you can control risk consistently. And if you stay disciplined when others become emotional, the upside has a way of taking care of itself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.